Hey guys, this is hot off the press, and this is Sarah. This is my assistant's best friend, and I can't wait to show you guys this haircut. So I am just chopping away this hair, guys. I had a vision in my head, so I drew it. If you go to my stories, it's probably still there. So I am just going to layer the heck out of this hair. So this is like scene hair 2020. Now, if you tilt the head all the way to the side, you can get that meat out underneath there. I do this on all my layered cuts and one length cuts just to get that out. Now, I'm going to scoop hair out from the inside because I do want heaviness on the top. So we're, like I said, scene hair 2020. So I'm going to give her some really cute ass bangs. It's going to be like Joan Jett meets 2022 as well, because it's going to be super funky punky, but not that short because I wanted to keep some length on her. Kind of the wolf cut, but kind of like Elyse Rox did it. So it's going to be awesome. So I am going to dry it. I'm going to texturize the heck out of this. I just keep cutting. I never stopped. I cut it for like a good 40 minutes. Now I'm going to get in with the razor to really chunk out those bottoms. It's almost a little bit of the octopus cut too. So here it is, guys. I made cool hair for Sarah because Sarah is cool as hell. So now her hair matches her and she looks really rad. And guys, don't forget to like, follow, share, and link in the bio. Hey guys, and if you like that video, don't forget to check out this one. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the ding dong.